Can you name which presidential administration last saw the bond market this negative? I'll give you a hint. The president's first name was George. No, it's not George Bush or George W. Bush. It's George Washington. According to economist Edward McQuarrie at Santa Clara University, this year's loss of 24.8% for long-term treasuries has 2022 on pace to be the worst year for bonds since 1793. And you combine that with a bear stock market, this has been a very rough year for all investors, conservative through aggressive. I am Jim Dunlop at Advent Partners, and I wanted to give you this quick economic update. The Federal Reserve raised rates yesterday by 0.5%, and that is less than we've seen lately, and it's what was widely expected by the markets and economists. The market has done exceptionally well here in the fourth quarter, taking the edge off an incredibly disappointing year for all investors. And we've had 2 months in a row now where the inflation rate was beating the expectations in a good way. And while that's a step in the right direction, 2 months does not make a long-term trend. Let's keep hoping for improvement. Yesterday's comments by Federal Reserve Chairman Powell indicate that we still have a long road ahead of us, and it's probably premature to celebrate. Markets are selling off today because they're worried that it's going to be a rough year next year. We'll see what happens in the days and weeks ahead. What is going to happen in those days and weeks ahead? We really don't know. But here's what we do know. There will never be an all-clear signal when markets bottom out. Perhaps it already happened back in September, and perhaps the bottom of this bear market is in the months ahead. The worst days in the market tend to cluster around the best days in the market. Timing just doesn't work. For these reasons, while it is at times painful, it's important to stay invested and remember investing would be easy and carefree if we didn't have to live through difficult times like this. I think there are signs of improvement, and I think there's also a long road in front of us. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you need some assurances about the impact that 2022 has had on your own personal financial plan. In the meantime, enjoy your time with friends and family in the weeks ahead and have a very blessed Christmas. We look forward to serving you and your family in the new year.